Having excellent images on your website is great because it really makes the website a lot more attractive for your visitors. But the bad news is they aren't so great for search engines because it can slow down your site's load time, as we'll talk about in an upcoming lecture. But search engines also cannot read your images, so they have no idea what they're about. There's a couple of things that you can do to counter this. The first is that you can compress images to minimize their size, and the second is you can add image alt tags that include your keywords to let search engines know what your image is about. To compress images, you can do that within tools like Photoshop. There's even some WordPress plugins that you can use, but it's best to do it off of your website. There's also tools online such as compressor.io where you can simply upload your image and it will automatically reduce the size for you while still keeping a good quality looking image. You can use the SEO tool by FeedTheBot, and you can look at the image section here as well, and it is going to tell you whether or not you have used alt tags for the images. So you can simply scroll down and it's going to show you all of the images on your website, and you'll see here that it says add alt text. This means that on none of these images has the website owner added alt text. That means for every single one of these images we need to go back and we need to add in this tag here into the image code, and we can include a descriptive title that also includes some of our keywords as long as it represents the image accurately. And when you upload your images, you also want to use descriptive file names because that is another opportunity for you to tell Google what your image is about. So use the FeedTheBot tool, take a look at your images, see if they use alt tags, and make sure that you compress images and optimize them for the web before you upload them.